Morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I charted up right now because man, I felt sick yesterday. I had Sunday I had some pluckers and man, I felt like I've had food poisoning all day yesterday. What's up? What's up? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Honestly, guys, the move happened, so now it's just about being patient and waiting for a retest or waiting for a change of character to the upside to go long. Man, you know what I'm salty about? Those 434 puts that didn't move at all yesterday. They're in the money like crazy. Let's see what they're worth. They should be at least 500 bucks a piece. Oh my God, $780 a piece. Oh, I'm salty. I'm fucking salty. Damn, from 101 to fucking 780, bro. We could have banged. And I stopped out to respect my stop, but man, we should have known that when the cons were moving, something was fishy. The CPI got leaked yesterday. From what I was reading and researching, was that it got leaked yesterday. Reason why we dumped like that. But no excuses to it. We'll see if we can find a setup today. Same thing. I'll be trading SPY QQQ one day out. Maybe some zero DT. I'll see what's up. But for right now, I just want to keep one day out. 50% tap on QQQ here. I'm not trying to look at other tickers as everything, the move already happened on everything. Everything broke down. So unless meta breaks this low, then yes. For the gap down, 453, then yes. I would love to play the meta downside. But other than that, nothing really interests me in the options world other than SPY and QQQ. Coin for the gap fill down as well. Let's go look at Bitcoin real quick. Apple's letting go. Bitcoin rejecting that 50,000. Yeah, if meta breaks down here, then we can play meta because we can bank on meta all the way to 406. Imagine that swing can be crazy, guys. That swing can be crazy. Back to the monthly open. Sheesh, we could be rich. I'm gonna be patient on that one. Appreciate it, Spaz. Right, Spaz, I think. I don't know why I can't see his full name anymore. It just shows like a letter, but I'm pretty sure it's Spaz. What's up, Runs? What's up? What's up? What's up? So XPix is at a 4-hour order block here, right? So it is at support. I just want to see if we can get a change of character at least above this high in a 5 minute, and then a retest to it. We can go long. If not, then we can just wait for a retest to play the downside. Damn, guys, we could have been up $700 a con. It would have been up almost fucking $8,000 today. That's insanity, bro. You had the right idea. Our cons just didn't move yesterday. I didn't like that like a little pop would decay them, and then the big dump that we had, nothing. Okay, good luck, runs. Good luck, bro. Nas at the premium here as well. Like same thing as XPX. I want to see a 5 minute change of character to the upside before I consider even going long. I don't want to fight the trend. So about being patient today. Even though QQ is at the 50%, I want to be patient and wait for the setup. Did anyone hold QQ, guys? Anyone hold the QQ puts overnight? I know there's some people that don't like to stop out, so I'm pretty sure someone did, but I won't be mad at you guys. I promise I won't be mad. Because it worked out, but just imagine it didn't. Google, yeah, just meta interests me, but I need that break. Or if we can retest here, that would be nice too. Apple's about to tap the monthly open. Apple's been weak. Apple's been honestly, I can really say that Apple's been leading us. Yeah, I think Apple's been leading us this whole like week, 2 weeks, and everything's been lagging behind it. I feel like it's been leading us this whole entire 2 weeks, like telling us downside, because it hasn't had bad news either, so pretty crazy. Yeah, but if you look at the daily, bro, on Apple, look at the daily from when we rejected that 190 level, pretty much, it just straight down for 3 4 days. Because if you look from February 2nd, bro, we broke to the downside, so this was just a retest to continue lower. Look, I'm gonna post the daily chart. Look how it broke that low and then retested. Pretty much, look the M, pretty much, right? So it's breaking down as XPX and NAS are heading higher. Tesla trying to hold, getting a nice little pop, retesting the breaker here. Let's go look at the 50 quick. Let's close below this on the 50 or 2 orders. XPX looks like it's trying to break above first. There it goes. You can need that close above for the 5 minute change of character. Uh, Bro, it hasn't even bounce from that low. XPX trying to go. NAS off the premium. Let's see what happens here. PQQ longs can work as long as the 15 minute holds 426.20. Here, let me just open. I'm gonna just open up QQQ and all that here as well. Then have it on this side for you guys. I really just want to stick to QQ and SPY now. I don't want to have to go through like 20 different tickers and find a setup for us. Unless it's like a crazy setup like meta, then yes, right? But I don't want to have to do that anymore. I want to just trade, the same thing. Since I'm trading futures, I don't want to have to keep going back and forth. Crazy setup. But if we look at QQ, right? This is 15-minute order block right here. It tapped the 50%. It's holding that. This would be our risk, but I wanna let CPI digest. I wanna let the price action digest CPI, and then we can possibly go long. But I don't want to rush into anything yet. X NAS. If we see NAS get the change of character, then we can take some QQs as well. It could be nice. It could be nice. Also, Apple would tap the monthly. SPY. Let's go look at SPY real quick. SPY pretty much 495. Same thing. Needs to hold this 15-minute order block right here. If it holds that, that'd be great. All right. Retest right back to where down, which is right here. Happens when it taps that to fill the gap. Nice, Doug. Yeah, call it a day, brother. Great stuff. Tap the gap. Why is it alerting and it hasn't even tapped? What the fuck? Bro, what? Oh my god, this is ridiculous. We need to get their shit to pop in. Yes. Let's see if XPX doesn't get that change of character, then it's just gonna continue lower and we can play some puts. Maybe because of the time frame you set the alert on. I don't know if that's the case. Oh, I'll have to check that by the dip. Like XPX is trying to reject that there. Spy's rejecting that 495 psych level. Yeah, I like puts too. What would you do if QQ closed back to yesterday's close? Bro, that'd be crazy, bro. I mean, I don't expect it. CPI came in hot, so I don't like not expect that. You know, like market's been crazy. Like yesterday, right? We had this was QQQ. We played the puts down all the here. We could have been in profit. It should have been in profit, but they didn't move us the contract. All that just to break all time high, make a new all time high, and then reject, bro, and dump. Like gave all that back for no reason. I mean, yeah, the legal CPI was the reason, but and then the UK inflation news too. So it's just a bunch of shit right now. Great work, Chris. Great work, bro. XPX is rejecting that. XPX is rejecting that break there, guys. It rejected it. If it rejected, QQ can reject as well. Let's go look at SPY. SPY rejected at 495. Yeah. Let's go look at QQQ. Some 0DT. They're gonna reject it here. Let's see. Like I said, if NAS can reject that, that'd be great. Trying to tap the high. I'm gonna take some starters. The 425s at 48, guys, on QQ. 0DTs. Nice. Nice. 0.52 here already. Nice. 10% here. Nice. 15% here, guys. Taking my first trim here at 56. Nice. Nice, guys. Sheesh. 17% on those QQs. 0DTs move too fast, man. 20% here, guys. I'm gonna move up my stop on these. 0.50 stop. Nice, 20% here, guys. 22%. Let's go, baby. Daily open will be my next TP. 0.59. Yeah, I can't even type out 0DTs. Nice, guys. 26% here. 30% on those QQQs, guys. 30% here. Yeah, NAS was lagging behind. Well, look, we saw the XPX rejection, right? That didn't get above. NAS was going for it, and then we saw SPY reject 495 and QQ. Oh my God, let's go. 40% here, guys, on those QQQ, guys. 45% here. Let's go. I entered the 425 puts at 48. They're at 68 here. 70 here. Nice, guys. Nice. Move up stops. Move up stops. That's daily open right here. You want to trim majority at the daily open. Trade. That was fast. Alright. I'm down to runners here at break even stop now. Break start to the day. Maybe back from those. Nice. Yeah, you be chasing now. Don't chase now. Just wait. Quick 45%. That's also why I don't like type. Well, I can't type out 0T, guys. They move so fast. So if you're on voice, you're able to catch them. I can still work here though. Let's go look at SPY. Yeah, I can still work here. Puts, those QQ puts can still work here. As SPY is still trying to reject below the daily 495. So if you want to take puts, guys, your risk is the high a day now on QQ. Your risk is here. Solely off of obviously SPY rejecting the 495, the rejection of the 5-minute change of character on XPX. QQQ puts are still valid here. We can head out. You want to target the low day 426.27. If that breaks 426.15, 426.15 breaks, we're going all the way to 425 and then 422.91. So if you still have some QQs, just hold at least hold one runner. I'm willing to hold at least like 3 runners here, and my stop loss above the high day. Make sure you're holding where it doesn't cut into your profits, okay? Spy's trying to let go here. Government signed a formal request to join IA. The formal process is starting. This is a 4-hour order block here. We need to get above. We still got 3 hours though, so. Those are all you're in right now by the dip? Oh, I was about to say, bro. Crazy. Meta. Yeah, we need. I'm gonna keep my eye on Meta, guys. Meta is so. Ooh, even Coin. Coin rejecting the weekly. Coin retested the breaker on the 15. Rejected the weekly open. Damn, looks sexy, guys, for downside too. Hold on, let me look at Bitcoin. This could be a retest for Bitcoin. Or yeah, that's attempting optimal and it bounced. Caught up on this. Then it can be a massive sell-off. Gonna follow the market? That's the question. See, okay, if we get a 15-minute change of character on it, then yeah, I'll be like, fuck it, we can short coin too. Yeah, until that breaks, I won't short coin, so I can just settle it right here. Because coin does look nice here for rejection, right? Retest a breaker, retest a weekly open, and reject it, and it could reject, come and gap, fill the gap all the way back down. Downside potential, man. Let's go look. Oh no, never mind. I forget. I keep forgetting. Coin has earnings this week. I keep forgetting. Coins has earnings this week, so they're taxed. Never mind, guys. Forget coin. Fuck. I keep forgetting to have earnings. Oh, the coin has earnings. We can trade Mara off of coin, guys. We can trade Mara off of coin or MSTR. MSTR actually went fucking nuts. MSTR made people rich. Look at this shit. MSTR gap from here. Just yesterday's price action, it went up almost 120. Yeah, like 100 bucks. That's 100 points. That's crazy. So we can watch Mara, MSTR, and obviously for coins earning. Those can be great setups. So let's go look at Mara. So I don't want to play any of these tickers till the earnings, either till the day of the earnings or after. We'll find out. I think coin is Thursday if I'm not mistaken, right? I think it's Thursday. I believe it's Thursday. I don't think I'm wrong on that one. Okay, so now I guess I'll just keep an eye on Meta. Meta. Spy's rejecting. XPX rejecting. I feel like NAS is lagging behind here. Apple trying to hold that monthly open there. 15-minute came to Spy's 15-minute came to retest the daily open. Pretty much at low day here, like you're buying lows at lows. Break below here, that'll be. That Spy's still going. Yeah, yeah, not coin, bro. Yeah, they have ER, so. Yeah, look, there goes QQ and that's rejecting. Nice. That's what we wanted to see. Yeah, they're lagging behind Spy. Nice, beautiful. Nice. Yeah, those sales you're risking 20 points. Close above down to 5. Very tight range. Like right here, this is your range for now, right? So it breaks or breaks, right? So Spy and XPX are telling us a story though. So obviously they're the ones leading us. Okay, Bitcoin's letting go here. Mara retested a 15-minute breaker as well, and it rejected it, right? Pretty much what we need for Mara. It's a close below the daily open, and then it'll be nice. Eyes letting go. Trying to hold up. Hold up on these. NVDA? What's NVDA doing? I mean, NVIDIA just retested the break here, the low. I's trying to let go here. Apple's trying to let go as well. Back at point 60 on these you guys. There you go. QQ, let go, baby. I's breaking that low. Nas is trying to reject as well. Set my alert so we can. Let's go with that 49.50 on XPX. That's golden. Watch that break, retest, and then you can short more if you want. Um, Video letting go. Yep, retested. I feel like Meta's next here. Rejection. It rejected 30 points in S and trying to pop it here. Amazon is strong. Let's go look at Amazon. Oh yeah, Amazon off that 165. Yeah, I mean Amazon pretty much just to fill the gap here would be happens. I think it's up there. Yep. They pop QQ. They pop NAS. They're holding that low. XPX. If they hold that low and get a 5-minute change of character to the upside, we can go long now. Yep, they're sending it. This is why we wait for them to digest the CPI. We can play some upside. If we get the break confirmation and retest, we'll play upside then. Sheesh, what a pop. Was that 50-point pop on one candle and a 5-minute candle on NAS? Yeah, that's dangerous. That's dangerous. That's dangerous. It is trying to go. I want meta to tap here and then now short up there. EQ and NAS. Let's see if they get the shift to the upside. And they did. They did. They changed it to the upside here on NAS. Q. I mean, that can only mean one thing here. XPX is lagging now. I mean, Apple held the monthly as well, and it's 5 minutes trying to uptrend. Okay, this year retest on NAS here. I still below daily. Retesting, matter rejecting, rejecting. Bias is what you're saying. Yeah. If we're solely playing off of 5 minute, that's very, very aggressive. Remember that. 5 minutes is very, very aggressive. Upside here is valid. Upside here is valid. And you can risk the breaker close below right here, so about 10-point risk here. Just rejecting here now. Amazon rejecting. Everything's rejecting here now, so like I said, you're going off the 5 minute. That is aggressive, right? Don't size in crazy. Know your risk. Meta's letting go. Price letting go. Holding that daily open though. Yep, it's holding that breaker. It's bouncing off that breaker. Eyes pay or not. And that makes me want to take XPX long, so we're holding those lows on these on XPX and NAS. I'd be willing to take the risk on the spies guys. I'm looking at the 496 call 0 DTs. The ones I'm looking at here. Alright, yeah. Nice, let's go. Nice trying to put it up. Lagging. Apple's trying to hold up. Nice rejecting. I can hear Apple's trying. They held that low. SPY. I'm gonna take the risk on SPY, guys. The 496.40. I'm gonna take the risk. I'm gonna take some starters on these. As we held that low again, um, I'll take that risk. 496 SPYs have 0.40. Nice, 10% already. See if we get higher. Nah, this needs to keep heading higher though. Breaker. X needs to hold that low. Back at 10% on these SPY here, guys. Goes NAS. Yes, XPX trying to hold that low like barely, 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 barely. Needs to hold it. We need to get back above 49.50. Yeah, 0.40. Marked up from yesterday. What is that, bro? 30 minute on what, NAS? If NAS doesn't hold, XPX and SPY aren't gonna hold, guys. But this is we had the confirmation on NAS. It's just a retest here to hit higher. So I don't like that Apple's trying to let go either. NVDA rejected. Meta's heading higher. Amazon rejecting the gap pretty much. I'll look later, bro. Hold on. I don't know what you're referring to. Up, down. NAS holds. Like the QQ got. There we go, SPY. Cons back up 10%, guys. They better not. Back puts. Broke below the lows. I think it'll break below the low of 32.68.3 would be nice. NAS is rejecting. Yep, nasty rejection here. They're just gonna keep heading lower. I'm gonna put a hard stop at 0.30 on these SPY, guys, just so we can still be green on the day. and shouldn't go below the. If it goes below the low there, then obviously it's invalidated. So 0.30 hard stop for me. I'm gonna put. And it looks like it wants to pop. Yeah, XPX got the close below, so did SPY. NAS still held though, still held the breaker. Breaker here. But bit disconnection here, so be careful, man. It is trying to go. There goes NAS. Fucking crazy. Back at break even on these SPY guys. Nice NAS. I feel like NAS is gonna lead us here, but we'll see. 30 minutes into the market open. Meta's trying to push up. NVDA's going though. Apple's holding at 185 here. NAS is trying to hold here. Mm. 36 seconds. That's nasty rejection. I can't even short here though because I haven't had a solid retest. XPX still trying to let go. As held again. Held the breaker again. Apple held 185 as well. XPX trying to pop to Q. Top to there or what? Back a break even on SPY. On QQQ. Apple's holding that 185 pretty nicely. NVDA is trying to push up. Trying to hold QQs. There goes SPY trying to get a pop. Back in profits on SPY. I want a big pop. I want SPY back to 495 at least, or at least even the daily open. We get back to the daily open, these contracts should be like 100 and something percent. Yeah, we'll get at least 100% if it get back above daily. To hold here and pop. Apple's trying to reject here, not looking good. Chopped cheese today. Apple's letting go of 185 here. Oh, for sure by the dip. Yep. Back to the lows if it doesn't. Held again. uh, this is some White House panic spreading on possibility that Fed policies can cut rates. Okay, that's meta rejecting. Yeah, it's trying to get it back above the breaker. Definitely don't want to play this, man. Move happened pre-market, guys. Remember what I said last time? If you get over a 50-point move during Asian or London session, the move happened. So it's not worth playing the New York session on it. No, I'm gonna wait for the close below the breaker. I'm gonna still hold these psychedelic. I'm gonna wait for the close below. You about to tap daily here. Next, SPY just tapped a 15-minute order block here. Still in. Pushing ass back up. That was a 15 point. It's fucking insanity, bro. SPY is bouncing off that 15-minute order block. QQ off the daily. Glad bro. We got stopped and then imagine we got to stop. We would have got stopped and then the crazy bounce, bro. I would have been. I would have been upset. Apple's trying to hold 185. Ass held a breaker again. 28 seconds. Getting a nice pop here on NAS. Nice. We need XPX. There we go. Come on, come on. Pop more, pop more. Oh, sheesh. NVDA pop is nasty. Yeah. NVIDIA's pop nasty. Not the momentum. Keep it going. Fine. Keep it going. It's fine. Which one, Casey? There you go. Nice. Nice. Nas in profits now, guys. Nice. Yeah, it didn't close below the breaker, though, bro. You never got to close below the breaker. That's why you gotta use your levels, bro. Not. There we go. Come on. Nice. We're up 15 points on these Nas buys here, guys. Nice. Yeah, we're break even on SPY here, but yeah, they're decaying, and we need to get back above the daily, and these can be nice and profit. But if we don't get back above the daily, they're gonna decay them nasty. Day we don't do the 1 day out. Oh, this is some shit, bro. Yeah, I mean, this can be nice. That was the premium on NAS, so it can be a nice balance back up to 722. So about 122 points we can get, guys, off these NAS buys. We just need everything to keep holding. Apple's trying to hold at 185. We need XPX 4950 to hold. They're back at break even on these SPY calls here, guys. Nice, 20 points on NAS buys here, guys. Taking my first trim on these NAS buys. Woke up finally. Now we need SPY to wake up. Get back above the day. Oh, if SPY gets back above the daily and goes for the gap fill, guys. Oh my god, we're gonna make fucking money. Obviously, TP1 would be daily open, right? Nvidia, nasty pop on Nvidia. That's what's pushing us here. I just don't want a rejection at the weekly. I'm gonna put an alert just in case. Nice, Nas. 25 points here, guys, on Nas. 25 points here on Nas buys. I don't want to hype you guys up, but I think we just caught the bottom. Nice. SPY back in profits here. Nice, Nas. Keep it going, baby. I get above the daily. Above. Break that high. Oh, you is a naughty, naughty. Oh my God, Nas. SPY back 10%. Nas 35 points here, guys. Move up your stops. Move up your stops. I'm not gonna say it again. Move up your stops on Nas. Move up your stops. Nice. SPY's trying to break this high here. Make sure to move up stops. Make sure to move up stops. Nice. Point 45 on SPY here, guys. I have a point 50 fill in some of my SPY. Point 50 fill in some of them. Nice, guys. 40 points on NASBYs here. 40 points on NASBYs, guys. 0.46 on these spies. Daily open is going to be 0.50. Remember, daily open is TP1. I was. I'm going to take some off here at 47, guys, on these. There you go. Our TP just hit on SPY. Taking some off. Got filled at 47. Oh, nice. I got partially filled at 50 on some of them. Okay, those 50 fills got hit too. Nice. Nice. Very nice. 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 Move up stops. Move up stops. Move up stops. Nice, guys. Nice. Buckle up. Buckle up. Buckle up. If we break above daily open, go for the cap. Ooh wee. Come on, 20%. Come on. Give us more. Give us more. Nice. There we go. I got filled the majority on my 50s here. Nice, guys. Nice. Nice. Beautiful. No panic around here. Just trust the game plan and you'll bank, right? 45 points on NAS buys, guys. 45 points on NAS buys. Make sure to move stops on SPY. Make sure to move stops on NAS. Do not let a green trade go red. Put up my stops. Wow. Very nice. Who banked there? Who banked there? Just let me see some ones real quick. Let me see some ones. I want to see some ones. Nice. Nice. Nice, guys. Fuck yes. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, bro. Oh, let's go! Let's go. 0.52, guys, here. Let's go. Taking some off. Move up stops. I have a 0.42 stop on some of these SPY guys. 0.42 stop. Above break even, I have some stops. Go, baby. 50 points on NASBY. Sheesh. I wish I would have went heavy, man. Jesus Christ. 50 points, baby. Move up stops on NASBYs again. I'm moving them up. 20. I'm moving up 30 points in profits. My NASBYs. Like I said, SPY holds that daily open. If we can hold that daily open, these can go crazy. If we get stopped out in profits or break even, it's okay. We'll look for re-entry. But we should hold runners here, guys, on everything. Cause that could legit be the bottom here. As that was a premium on a larger time frame. But that doesn't mean just because that could be the bottom does not mean you're gonna be greedy and not secure some profits, right? We're gonna be smart about our money. We're gonna secure some profits and be smart, right? SMI breaking out, bro. NVDA breaking out. NVIDIA, that low, bro, was key. Look at that low. How many points is that? 25, 26 points. NVIDIA low was crazy. SMI, let me go see. SMCI. Why am I saying SMI? Yeah, that shit was nice. That retest. Sheesh. Nice, guys. Nice. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I feel like we're banking, guys. Like we're going stupid. 65 points on NASBYs, baby. Nice. 65 points on NASBYs, guys. Points breaking. 70 points on NASBYs. Move up stops. Move up stops. Move up stops. One more time. Move up stops. Oh, we're going crazy. 0.54 on those spies, guys. Nice. Hell yeah, man. Oh my god. Yo, point 60 here. Sheesh. 70 points on NASBA is confirmed, guys. Nice. 75 points here on NASBA, guys. Very, very nice move. Yeah, we have to be banking. There's no way we're not banking, guys. There's no way you guys aren't banking. Moving on my stop again on these NASBAs. Moving them up 55 points in profit. And then my spies, I'm gonna move them up to 0.45. 0.45 is my stop on them now. On my spy runners. I'm literally holding your hand throughout both plays, guys, for NAS and for spy. We break above this high on XPX and spy. There's no stopping it, guys. We're going to go fill the gap. There's no stopping it. We break this high here on XPX right here. There's no stopping it. Damn, Casey. I know you're mad, bro. That's why we wait for closes below, bro. Literally right here. Oh, Louis mama. You took QQQ, Ashes. And Spy? Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, QQ was leading us. QQ and Apple were leading us. They were giving us the answer. So was obviously NAS, right? But XPX, like I said, if it breaks above, can go crazy. It's rejecting it so far, which is not good. We want to see it break above that high to continue higher. Spy, let's see if it retests the daily and holds it. I'm about to get. Almost got stopped on in profits on my NAS buys there. I mean my spy call. Oh my god, bro, I'm so fucking. Still in my NAS. We're up 64 points here. I put a stop at 70, so see what happens. Trying to balance for us. Spy's trying to hold that daily open. That's great. If Spy can hold that daily open, guys, we can just like wick the fuck up. You have 430 psych level, so careful. Meta's retesting the break down level, careful. NVIDIA's retesting the weekly open, so careful. Yeah, careful here. We could possibly reject, so make sure we're securing some profits, guys. Make sure we're securing majority of the profits. You should only be in runners now, only in runners. I just want to see this close above here, man. A minute and 15 seconds. If we get the close above here, I would not be stressing. We'll be chilling. We can hold these runners back up all the way to take this high. To hold it for another 130 points. I told you, first EP we're gonna have room is 7-7-21, and we're almost there. Well, yeah, we'll push up there. Just patience. Get an XPX break above it. NVIDIA UBS raised NVIDIA target to 850. Oh, NVIDIA just got a price target upgrade. That's why. That's why it popped. Ah, that's the pop. It had a price upgrade. That's nice. So if we can get okay, if we can get the rejection of the weekly and held that low, we can get a retest on Nvidia around the 50%. That'll be amazing. It's gonna be an imbalance tap, the 50% tap. We can go long on those. We can take calls. XBX didn't break above, guys. I don't like that. So make sure you have stops in profit. They can reject it nasty here. SPY held the daily open, so that's good. That's a good sign. Do you guys like that? Would you guys prefer that more? Trading SPY and QQ instead of like individual tickers? Would you guys prefer that? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, it went long. Yeah. Yeah, I like it better. I like it better. The reason is because I don't have to. Because usually you guys can see everything on top here, right? And you guys will see I have almost every ticker I'll be watching, and I have to go through all of them. So I prefer just focusing on NAS, XPX, and obviously SPY and QQ, right? But having those all right here and just focusing on those, we can make way more. We can make hella like crazy more money just trading those tickers. Whether it's futures, whether it's options, than having to watch everything else. Unless it's a crazy swing setup for like NVDA, right? NVIDIA is a crazy ticker. If it's a crazy swing setup, then I'll trade those. But I think I'm gonna strictly stick to just SPY, QQ, XPX, and obviously NAS, right? That's what I want to stick to, just because I feel like it's easier for me to control, easier for you guys to control. Obviously, because you guys know when I trade NAS, you guys trade QQ. But I want to be able to do it with you guys, so like, okay, if he's saying QQ, it's because of this, and you guys know which ones to use, right? If it's 1 day out or 0 DTs. Majority of the time, it's gonna be 1 day out now. I just did 0 DT today because the lows were holding, and there was just no way they weren't gonna pop it. And if they were gonna chop it up, then I probably would have been salty. But on days like these, when price action happens, it does tend to chop. It does tend to chop because the move already happened, right? But it can just set you up. The CPI was hot. Your larger time frame held support. So what does that tell you? Larger time frame defeats the smaller time frame. You wait. What do we wait here for the confirmation to break the upside and retest it to head higher, right? It's just playing the price action, guys. Just play the price action. If it's telling you, it went upside and is retesting, didn't break back below, then just hold those, right? Just hold those till it goes higher. X, Q. If it is getting above the weeklies, that's good. I do like spiky Q though, since spreads are yeah, exactly. Compared to other ones by the dip, yeah, spreads can be crazy on certain tickers. And then like coin's a solid setup, but we just can't trade them. The contracts are so expensive since they have earnings this week. So stuff like that too is like, oh, I'll go look at a ticket, can be great setup, then I gotta go back. It's like wasting time. Nice, 80 points here, guys. 85 points here on NAS buys. 85 points here. Make sure to move up stops, guys. Make sure to move up stops again. I'm moving on my stops one more time on my NAS buys. Nice. I like that SPY held a daily. Now what we need is to break above this high on SPY. Just like NAS had it, right? We need it on XPX. And then we need Apple above the daily, which is 185.80 77. 185.77. So above that will be amazing. Nice. 90 points here, guys, on NAS buys. 90 points here. Nice. 100 points, guys. Let's go. 100 points on NAS buys. Who's still holding with me? 100 points here. 105 points, guys. This is wild, guys. We caught the bottom. 0.62 on SPY here, too. Still hold. Yeah, still hold. Still hold. Like I said, 770 right here. Like, you'll turn 90% of your position and, like, complete, like, one lot, a runner left. Nice, bro. Yeah, hold that runner. Just keep trailing your stops up, guy. Keep trailing your stops up on those on the runner. Whatever you have, just keep moving up your stop. That's what I'm doing. Just move up your stop. Move up your stop. Chris, what the fuck is that supposed to mean, bro? NVIDIA, bro. NVIDIA had a price upgrade in the middle of the day, so it's going crazy. You guys know how those price upgrades are. They're fucking crazy. Great day, great day. Even feels better when our AI goes long with us, huh? So pretty much I have my stop at 75 points in profits on NAS buys, guys. My stop's at 75 points in profits on NAS. Video above weekly, that's crazy. Oh, okay. XPX got the break above. Okay, if we retested the imbalance here, oh, that can be beautiful. If it retested the imbalance, that would be beautiful. And then it's gonna hold that 4 hour order block here. Oh, that's sexy. That's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I can just set my alert. Anyway, hey Teddy, did you play XPX, bro, or you just played NAS? Yeah, we're going higher. This is the next stop. And it hasn't even given a retest, so that's good for us. Nice video. Nice. Apple's breaking above daily open. Nice. XPX getting that. Nice. 115 points here, guys. Nice. Nice. 115 points on those buys here. Apple needs to get above the daily. It cannot reject it. Needs to get above. Nice. Apple above daily again. Actually above daily now. Moving up my stop again on these NAS buys. 85 points in profit. Actually, should I just do 95 points in profit? It's my stop on these NAS buys. Yeah. X rejecting the high. So great work. Yes, sir. Apple's above daily. Nice, 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 nice. Video going crazy. Yeah, Melissa. Yeah, I have one lot. That's what I took on it. Gonna happen when a 50% tap. I like that Apple's popping too, so that's good. Apple's rejecting. It's trying to reject that 495. Yo, good shit. Yeah, SPY paid. Patience, 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 pace. Would it take XPX? Oh, would have been a fat, fat. I know these NVDA cons went crazy off the open. It's up like 35 points from open. That's insane. He's trying to reject here. Yeah, at 429.41, that'll be your retest level. But I think it would just keep trending up without a solid retest. Let's see. The XPX rejecting the high though, so and it still needs to retest. So this is XPX here. Needs to retest 49.54, or essentially pretty much hold the breaker right here. Apple's retesting daily here. I got stopped on my net spy here on that rejection there. 85 points. I'll take that. I'll take that. I'll take that. Now we wait for a retest. Still in the spies though. My Nasdaq is stopped in profit, but I'm still in my spy calls. Only in runners on this. No, not yet. Not yet, Chris. It needs to fill this one up for it to be an inverse. I still holding. That's good. Let's go look at NAS. Where can we catch a retest? It just okay. Let's go look real quick though. Hour held. Pop us back up all the way to these highs. Your points or reject here. Doesn't matter. We'll play price action. So great moves though. We were able to catch 115 points on those NAS buys, guys. That's insane. 115 point like catch on live. That's crazy. Crazy. I like that optimum premium for NAS around here. Alright, that's pretty much it for me today, guys. If we retest, great. If we don't retest, then I mean, we already made our money. So you know, it can do whatever it wants to do, and we're still good. Buy still going. Apple retested daily, and it's still held too, so that's good. I like this. I like just focusing on QQ and SPY, XPX, and NAS. I like it. It's more comfortable than having to worry about other tickers. So yeah, that's the way. That's why I said this week we're gonna use 90% of QQ. We got the levels for XPX. We got the levels for NAS. We got the levels for QQ. Do we need the levels for SPY? Do y'all want the levels for SPY or not? Yeah, no, yeah. Well, I was like, I still watch all the large caps, bro, because the watch list. That's why even when some break, I'm just like, no, like, no, because I'm watching this and this. But yeah, like, I do catch myself watching the whole large cap, which is good though, because you wanna be able to watch everything move, because everything moves together, right? Like, there's one that can lead, one that's lagging. Lately, Nvidia's been leading, right? And Apple has been leading to the downside, and Nvidia's been leading to the upside. So it's just kind of using those to guide you in a way with the indices and determining, you know. But yeah, it's more comfortable for me instead of having, 7, 8 tickers I'm watching up here, just having, these two tickers essentially. SPY 494.34 is your 50%. Your optimal is 494.03. But it is more comfortable watching less tickers, bro. Sure. I'm gonna post a charge because I'm about to head out. I'm gonna take my family out for breakfast. Drive. NAS here. XPX. I'm gonna just post a chart so you guys can have them. Just set alerts at those levels and then watch the price action and execute. Alright. Keep it very, very simple, guys. Does anyone have any questions before I head out? Yo, psychedelic. Go on here. Yep, only two plays was all it took today. That's why I said we gotta be patient. Like waiting, especially when there's news like that, being patient, and letting the price kind of settle in. It's good. Like off the open, we play the puts right off of XPX rejection. We banked on the puts, and then we played the upside off the NAS leading broke. So we played both sides. So it's not like that's how we strictly play price action, right? We don't have a bias to one side. Oh my god, my voice is cracking like crazy today. We don't have a bias to one side. We just play strictly price action, right? So we caught the downside. We caught the break and retest to the upside, and that, guys, is how you play price action, right? You guys learn that, not having a bias. Like right now, okay, if we go larger time frame daily, yes, is NAS bullish on the daily? Yes, right? On the 4 hour, is it bullish still? No, it broke down. On the hourly, is it bullish? Hell no. All right. So it's just kind of remembering larger time frame daily. Yes, that's more of a swing. 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute. You're essentially waiting for a retest to short it back down. But what could happen? Um, what could it be? It could just be a sell to buy scenario, right? Sell off to buy, to keep heading higher. In my opinion, right? With CPI being hot, and obviously we had the reaction yesterday. We had the reaction today. Why did okay, XPX just tapped the breaker. That's why the bottom of the breaker and the imbalance. So this is actually a great opportunity, like for starter size on XPX or SPY to the upside. And then yeah, it's tapping the daily open. NAS tap the imbalance. Tap the imbalance. The videos are weekly. Apples are daily. Yeah, this is a good retest here. On the 5 minute, you wanted to see hold this breaker, 49.57. So if you want to risk calls, just risk it and then close below this low is your stop loss. For me, my ideal area would be the optimal and premium. You guys know I love these. The 49.51 area would be amazing. So you can do starters and then stop out right below this low and then look for reentry right here once you get to change a character back to the upside. The reason it would work out here is because one, we have Apple right at daily open. You have it to retest the imbalance, the breaker. You have NAS retesting the imbalance as well. Yes, at SPY actually retesting the daily open and imbalance here, and then you have QQ retesting the imbalance, right? So pretty good for a risk, but I want my premium. I want my optimal premium. It's, it needs to hold the weekly open. That would be great. Yeah, no, if you're in profits, call it a day, bro. Call it a day. If you're in profits today, call it a day. Call it a day. No reason to overtrade, bro. No reason. But if no one has any other questions, guys, I'm done for today. I'd really appreciate if you guys can post some profits and losses. If you guys can tag me on Twitter, I'd appreciate it. On that, take care. Please, please, please do not be greedy. Do not give back your money. You worked hard for it today, right? Trading's been kind of tough this past 2 weeks, but we somehow always managed to get out of it alive. So take care, guys. Catch you tomorrow.